What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing something I haven't even done before, but I know I can do it. I feel confident in it, and I'm going to be making a Fireball whiskey pineapple on the Blaze Rotisserie. So stay tuned. Let's get into it.
You ready? Let's go.
Alright, first things first, I'm going to slice this bad boy up, get it prepped for the next piece. I'm using my Del Strong knife. I love this thing, it's high quality. Let's go ahead and get the rest of this peeled off and go from there. Alright, now that I've got all the stuff peeled off the pineapple, now I'm going to take my Fireball. We're just going to put that in there, and then we're going to let that set as long as we can before we have to get it on the grill. I'm also going to be using another blend just to put on the outside of this, kind of like a little extra coating, because this is going to be for dessert. So definitely stay tuned. Alright, so next I'm going to show you how I make this whiskey sour sauce, if you will, glaze for this pineapple. I've never actually even done this before, like I said, but this is the beauty, this is what I love about cooking, is the opportunity to experiment and try different things with food. So, you know, let's go ahead, get into it. I'll show you how I'm going to make this, and let's hope it turns out.
But really the next thing I remember was waking up the following morning.
Nothing too crazy here. Basically, I got equal parts of brown sugar and ground cinnamon in here. And I'm just going to pour it to where I think I can get away with what I'm trying to do here as far as this glaze is concerned. Obviously, next, going to have to throw in some of this Fireball whiskey. Also going to throw in some of this Kentucky Kick. Obviously, I like using this seasoning. It's one of my favorites. But you can use whatever you want. Whatever you like to add a little kick will definitely be beneficial to this, I think. Next, I'm going to throw in some honey. There we go. Now that I got that all in there, I'm just going to take it, mix it up. I want it to be kind of thick. I want it to have a thick consistency. So when I go to baste this onto the pineapple, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally baste it on there as it's cooking, just to kind of add some flavor. I'm not going to put it on there beforehand because it's already got that Fireball whiskey that it's marinating in. So I just think this is going to add a little bit of flavor to it. We'll try it out, see what this tastes like. It definitely has some flavor to it. I'll tell you what, this is going to go great on that pineapple. It's definitely going to add some flavor. And wow, it's definitely got kick. You can smell that Fireball whiskey on this pineapple. Rather strong. It's only been soaking for a couple hours. Wish I could have gone longer, but it is what it is. When you have guests coming over, you got to make sure you get this done. So now I'm going to get this on here, the skewered. And then basically, we'll get on the rotisserie. Alright, so now I'm just going to get this in here, into the rotisserie. Going a little hot over here with the Primo. A little hotter than I would want. It is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and also add some of these bourbon chips. Give it a little bit of smoky flavor. And we'll go ahead, get this turned on, and let it roll. Definitely look forward to seeing how this turns out. Alright, it's time to get some of this basted on here. Like I said, it's a little thicker. This Fireball whiskey glaze that I made, but should be good. Actually ended up cutting it with some melted butter. Seemed to add a little bit better flavor than just with the ingredients that we originally seen. So keep that in mind. I'll try to obviously include that too as part of the post down below in the description. This is obviously a good time. If you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button, and obviously, you know, hit me up in the comments if you have any questions or ideas or suggestions on what you'd like to see done on the Blaze Kamado. Alright, so here we go, the moment of truth with the Fireball Whiskey pineapple. As you can see, this thing is literally falling apart. That definitely looks good. I don't know, it's just a pineapple. Oh wow. This pineapple, it's amazing. In fact, definitely better than I had imagined it, especially being marinated with Fireball whiskey and just the whole cinnamon flavor. It definitely takes that pineapple to another level. So if you have not tried this out, I strongly encourage you to do so. It's excellent, fun to make, and on top of that, it's delicious. So try it out. I'm gonna serve mine actually with some vanilla ice cream. Sorry I didn't have time to show you that, but it is what it is. Until next time, good cooking.